One of the things I've wanted to make for Christmas is a mini crystal Christmas tree. I think they are so cute and are fairly simple to make. There are several ways to make them, but I believe this particular method will work for you. For this project, you will need a cone. You could purchase one from a craft store or you can make one yourself. If you would like to make one, take a long piece of string or yarn and tie it around a pencil or pen. Next, you want to stretch the yarn the length of the paper to make an arc. The paper can be cardstock or poster board. Remember to keep your pen straight while you move the pen across to the other side. Afterwards, cut the arc using your scissors. Next, take each end and fold it inward to create a cone. And don't worry, it does not have to be perfect. To secure the cone, you can either staple or tape it together. I highly recommend placing parchment paper on top of your work surface. It will help with anything that sticks to it. If you would like to add lights to your tree, I recommend using fairy lights. Before I begin the next step, I'm going to unravel the fairy lights and wrap one end around the cone. Now it's time to add the crystals. I'm going to start by gluing one row of crystals around the bottom of the cone. I purchased a big bag of them for only $17 and I've made 3 trees with them so far and still have a lot left over. I'll leave the link in the description box below in case you're interested in purchasing some too. Once you have the base cover, it's time to build on it and add more on the top. I'm going to continue this until I reach the top of the cone. If you're using fairy lights, simply glue the wire to the cone along with the crystals. I really enjoy doing this project by myself, but it also will be fun to do it with friends and family. Here's the finished product here. And it's pretty solid too. And as you can see, there's a lot of string, glue string here. And to get rid of this, what you'll need to do is use a heat gun. So I am going to heat this up real quick. Now that you're finished, it's time to turn on the lights and admire your work. If you like this video and would like to see more, check out these videos.